In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bank account conversion balance in Xero. If you're moving on to Xero partway through a financial period, you'll need to tell Xero what your bank account balance was on your chosen conversion date. This is called the conversion balance, and setting it correctly ensures your bank reconciliation starts from the right place and your reports reflect reality from day one. I'll walk you through where to go and what to enter, along with a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, go to Xero and open your organization. Give the page a moment to load so all menus are available. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding. Next, click on the accounting menu at the top of the screen. This is your hub for the core financial settings and tasks you'll use regularly. From there, select accounting settings. This area controls the backbone of your Xero setup, including financial settings, chart of accounts, and the conversion balances we're about to set. Now, open conversion balances. This section is designed for entering opening figures as at your conversion date. It's where you create the starting point Xero will use for your ledgers and bank reconciliation. On the conversion balances page, locate your bank account in the list. You're going to enter the statement balance as at your conversion date. Use the figure from your bank statement for that date so it matches exactly. If the account was overdrawn, enter the balance as a negative number. Double-check the date you're entering against your chosen conversion date, and make sure the currency is correct if you use multiple currencies. If you like, add a short description to remind yourself where the number came from, such as statement balance at conversion date. Before you save, pause and confirm the amount agrees to your bank's official statement. A mismatch here will create reconciliation headaches later, so it's worth verifying now. If you keep monthly statements, have the relevant one open for a quick cross-check. When you're confident the figure and date are right, save your changes. Xero will store this as the opening balance for that bank account and use it as the starting point for your future reconciliations. That's it. You've gone to Xero, opened accounting, selected accounting settings, navigated to conversion balances, and entered the bank account conversion balance before saving. With the correct opening balance in place, your reconciliations and reports will line up cleanly from your conversion date forward. If something doesn't look right later, return to the screen to review the date, sign, and amount. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to continue working confidently in Xero.